Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Words that you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out each warning in the words that it was for me, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sounds of silence. Tanging paglisan sa piling mo, kapwa lungkot at ligayang nadarama. Huwag ka sanang magdamdam at huwag lumuha. Ako'y paparoon baon ng iyong alaala, labi na kahit tamis ngiting nakabibig raning, langit at ginhawa na ika'y makapiling sinta. O aking paloma, lumipat kang muli at hanapin ang aking pag-ibig sa aking pag-isisan, sa piling mo sinta, habang lungkot at ligaya ang nadarama. Huwag sanang magdamdam At huwag lumuha, ako'y paparumbaon ang iyong alaala. Lagi na kahit tamis ngiting nakabibigani, langit at ginhawa na ika'y makapiling sinta. Oh, aking paloma, buhay ko at ligaya. Lumipad kang muli at hanapin ang ating pag-ibig. Sa aking paglisan sa piling mo, sinta, kapag lungkot at ligaya ang nadarama, huwag sanang magdamdam at huwag lumuha. Ako'y paparumbaho ng iyong alaala. O aking paloma, buhay